Hello everyone, myself Nikita Sohane, Assistant Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. This video is for Michaelis Menten enzyme kinetics, which is a part of syllabus of B Pharma 6th semester subject Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. Michaelis-Menten enzyme kinetics. It is also called as capacity limited metabolism or mixed order kinetics. For this, enzyme plus drug is converted into a enzyme drug complex, then it is reconverted into enzyme plus metabolite. That means by enzyme the drug is degraded and converted into its metabolites. Enzymes usually react with substrate. For enzyme substrate complex, then the product is formed. The enzyme can go back to react with another substrate to form another molecule of the product. Michaelis-Menten equation. This kinetics of capacity limited or saturable process is best described by Michaelis-Menten equation. The equation is minus dc upon dt, which is rate of decline of drug concentration with time, is equal to Vmax into C. Vmax is theoretical maximum rate of process and C is concentration upon Km plus C. Km is Michaelis constant and C is again concentration gradient. Three situations can be now considered depending upon the value of Km and C. When Km is equals to C, under this condition the equation will be minus dC upon dt is equal to Vmax upon 2. The rate of process is equal to half of its maximum rate. The process is represented into a plot of dC upon dt versus C as shown in figure 1 in upcoming slides. If a drug at low concentration undergo a saturable biotransformation, then Km is much greater than C. So the equation will be minus dC upon dt is equal to Vmax into C upon Km. From this equation, it is identical to the one that describes first elimination of drug where Vmax upon Km is equals to Ke. And third condition is when Km is much smaller than C, so the equation will be minus dC upon dt is equal to Vmax. This equation is identical to the one that describes a zero order process. That means rate process occurs at constant rate Vmax and is independent of drug concentration. Example, metabolism of ethanol. This is the plot where zero order rate is high dose and mixed order rate at intermediate dose and first order rate at low dose. dC upon dt, Km, Vmax by 2, Vmax and C. All the values can be interpreted by this graph and we can estimate the concentration and amount of drug. Now, how can we estimate the Vmax and Km? In enzyme kinetic work, the classic Michaelis-Menten equation is V is equals to Vmax into C upon Km plus C. V is reaction rate, C is substrate concentration. Both are used to determine Vmax and Km. The velocity of reaction V at various concentration level of drug are determined either by in vitro experiment or in vivo experiment at constant enzyme levels. Method 1. By reciprocating equation 1, we get 1 upon V is equals to Km into 1 upon Vmax into C plus 1 upon Vmax. When 1 upon V is plotted against the 1 upon C, a straight line is obtained with a slope of Km upon Vmax and the intercept of 1 upon Vmax. As shown in figure, this will be the graph for particular region. Now, intercept 1 upon Vmax is equal to 0.33 mu per mole. Vmax is equal to 0. mu mole per ml minute. Slope is equal to Km upon Vmax. So, it will be 1.65 is equals to Km upon Vmax. Km is equals to 1.65 into 3 is equal to 4.95 mu mole per ml. X-axis intercept is equal to minus 1 upon Km. Second method is multiplying equation 2 by C. We get C upon V is equals to Km upon Vmax plus C upon Vmax. A plot will be gives the slope and Km upon Vmax as the intercept. This will be the graph which is for C upon V and C. We can find out Km and Vmax by this plot. Method 3rd. The equation can also be written as V is equals to minus Km V upon C plus Vmax. A plot of V versus V upon C gives a straight line with a slope of Km and intercept of Vmax as shown in figure. This will be the diagram. Calculation of Km and Vmax at steady state concentration. If the drug is administered for the constant rate IV infusion, a multiple dosage regimen, the steady state concentration is given in terms of dosing rate. That means the frequency of dosing. Dr is equals to concentration at steady state and total clearance from the body. If the steady state is reached, then the dosing rate is equal to the rate of decline in plasma concentration, that is elimination of drug from the plasma. If the decline occurs due to single capacity limited process, so equation will be Dr is equals to Vmax into steady state concentration upon Km plus steady state concentration. From a plot of steady state concentration versus doses as regimen, a typical curve having a shape of hockey stick is obtained, which is shown in figure. This will be the graph obtaining by plotting the steady state concentration against the dosing rate. Method used to determine Km and Vmax at steady state. There are three methods which are used to define the Km and Vmax at steady state with appreciable accuracy. First one is Lineweaver-Burk plot. The reciprocal of equation 2 we get 1 upon dr is equal to Km upon Vmax into steady state concentration plus 1 upon Vmax. If 1 upon doses regimen is plotted against steady state concentration inverse, a straight line is obtained having a slope Km upon Vmax and y-intercept 1 upon Vmax. Second method is direct linear plot. Plotting a pair of CS steady state concentration, that is concentration 1 and steady state concentration 1 and steady state concentration 2 against corresponding dosing rate dr1 and dr2, we get following figure which gives the value of Km and Vmax. This will be the graph for different 2 doses regimen and 2 steady state concentrations. Graphical method. This will be the graphical method for plotting this particular graph. Graphical method. In this method, by rearranging equation, we get dr is equals to Vmax upon Km into dr upon C, that is concentration in steady state. In a graph, dr is plotted against dr versus upon steady state concentration. The straight line is obtained with slope of Km and y-intercept Vmax. Km and Vmax can be estimated by simultaneous equation as dr1 is equals to Vmax minus Km dr1 upon steady state concentration 1. For second dosage regimen, dr2 is equals to Vmax minus Km dr2 upon steady state concentration 2. On solving both above equation, we will get Km is equals to dr2 minus dr1 upon dr1 upon concentration of steady state 1 minus dr2 upon steady state concentration 2. By substituting values of dr1, dr2, steady state concentration 1, steady state concentration 2, we get the value of Km, and from Km we can find the value of Vmax at steady state concentration. From the experimental observation, it is shown that Km is much less variable than Vmax. Thank you.